Hi Healthy Squad, we're doing gluten-free and vegan mix. First we need 3/4 cup of Aquafaba, 1 cup of vegan chocolate chips, and you need to melt them in the microwave. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. While it's cooling, you put Aquafaba in a glass bowl and whip it in high speed. Once you get soft peaks, put lemon juice and vanilla extract. Beat until you get spit peaks and then beat again for 2 more minutes. Once you do stiff peaks, you put the chocolate in. Beat again until once it's thickened. Put it in your jars and put it in the refrigerator to chill for 2 hours. Now it's chilled, I'm gonna give it a try. Like and subscribe. Bye, Healthy Squad. Wow.